holy cow, I don't know what just happened. These are not as well done. These first two are not as well done as the previous one. And what on earth? In this video, we're going to use RunwayML to change the dimensions of an image in a context-aware way. You'll know what I mean in just a second. I'm going to click on View All Tools. I'm going to click on Expand Image. And this is the free version of RunwayML. There's a paid version. But sign up for free and you can try this out on your own. We're not going to use these images we have here. These are actually used for previous RunwayML videos. I've got a whole playlist on RunwayML tools, linked to in the card up above and the description down below if you want to check that out. I'm going to upload an image right here. This is from an earlier video I made. This is the face swapping tool inside of Midjourney for Discord. It's an add-on you can get, has a very generous free plan, which I used to make this. It's basically a Pulp Fiction version of Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I use the face swap to make it look more like Arnold. And check out that video. Card up above, description down below. That tool is legit. So we have this video, it's a square image, but what if we want to use this for YouTube thumbnail? Arnold takes up the whole image. We'd have to either have some kind of funny background on the sides, something we make up, or shrink Arnold, or cut off his head, or not have his hands in the view, in the thumbnail, what have you. We've got to do something to change it. Or we can use this tool to change this to widescreen. We can use a prompt if we want. This is the prompt it came up with. A man sitting at a table with a drink and a paper. That's good enough. And I wonder what this is going to change our image. I don't think it will. Click on Generate, and it's going to hopefully expand our image to widescreen, 16 by 9, which is the size of a YouTube thumbnail. And it did, and it's legit. This one is maybe not. Something weird going on there. I can't tell if it's a person or a skateboard on a person's face. I don't know what that is. But look at this one. It's got a little funny shaped drink. It's got something on fire here. Also interesting shaped drinks. It looks like he's drinking from a pepper shaker. So when you look up close like that, they're not so legit. But from a distance, these look legit. I could see using any one of these as a YouTube thumbnail, maybe just covering over the parts that aren't that great with text or something. But I think it's pretty awesome. And that was just with a few clicks. If we wanted to change this to mobile, let's see how that works. If you wanted to, for example, if you had a YouTube thumbnail and then you wanted to shrink it down to have a thumbnail for your shorts, which you can't do on YouTube, but in other places you can have thumbnails for your shorts. So let's see if we can change this to be legit vertical. And I think we did it. I think, I don't know what these two are about down here. I don't know what this chandelier is about, but this one on the right looks pretty good. I could see myself using that. Obviously some text overlay to describe what the video is about, but I think that's pretty awesome. And all you have to do to try this out is sign up for a free account and go to the image expand tool or expand image tool and try it out. There's so many tools in RunwayML. I've got a video for most of these on the channel, so check out the playlist. Let's actually try this on another image. Let's try this one that I used for a previous video. Drag and drop that in there. Let's scale it up. This one is already widescreen, so let's see what happens if we make this one a different aspect ratio for mobile vertical. The one with Arnold was 9 by 20. This is 9 by 16. And holy cow, I don't know what just happened. These are not as well done. These first two are not as well done as the previous one. What is the prompt we have here? Character posing with green eyes in a city. It doesn't say put a woman's face in the sky, or put all these letters in here, or add these crazy arms. These arms are pretty good. Behind his back. If you could take out the words, this is actually pretty legit. And what on earth? I gotta expand this. What on earth is happening here? Can't even zoom in. But not quite what we're going for, right? I don't know what we're doing here. Character posing with green eyes in the city. And it's adding all this rubbish. Let's try changing it to square to see if that turns out better. These arms aren't bad. These are the square ones, and we're back to adding a bunch of gibberish. So holy cow, what's this? I've come to believe the source image matters. And what's funny is they were both created by Midjourney. This is Sylvester Stallone as Cyberpunk. The other one was Arnold Schwarzenegger as Pulp Fiction using the face swapping tool. But they're both generated by Midjourney. Let's try Harrison Ford. This is an actual screenshot from the movie. Let's make this widescreen, scale it. Prompt is, there's a shirtless man walking over a bridge. Let's change that. Indiana Jones on a bridge in the jungle. Generate. So far, I don't know what to say. Clearly expanded the image, which is what we wanted. Here he's holding something with gnarly hands. Here he's taking a selfie. here. I don't know. It definitely expanded the image. But this seems to be something where you gotta try it over and over to get just what you want, because none of these are what I want. I have to try this over and over. But this is also something, if you're doing YouTube thumbnails or something, you could cover over certain parts with graphics or text. So you couldn't even see the parts that look bad. Like this one, except for all the concrete here. This one's pretty good. If you cover over the selfie arm and the crazy armpit hole, that one could be good. This one could be okay. So it's just trial and error. You got your image, you want to expand it, you got to try things. Change this prompt. I'm sure if we change the prompt to, let's try in a city. Let's see what it does. If we change the prompt, it's got to affect the output. And the prompt is also optional, so we could not have a prompt. Look at this guy. So it's like a jungle city. This is kind of like a jungle city over here. This one's actually not bad, except for this doohickey. Trial and error is the best I can recommend. And I can also recommend check out all these tools on RunwayML, because they are pretty cool. Next up, watch this playlist right over here, which is the playlist with all the RunwayML videos on my channel. And the playlist down below is for the Midjourney videos on my channel to help you generate images to use inside of RunwayML. It also has an image generator, but it's not quite as good as Midjourney, in my opinion. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn from the AI Underground. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.